Hi, my name is Javier, and today we're going to be talking about chronic and acute diseases. Diseases have accompanied man through all his history. These medical conditions can affect at different ages, and they also can affect depending on the geographical location you live. And there are some illnesses that have some predilection more in women than in men, and vice versa. We can divide these medical conditions in two main groups: acute illnesses and chronic illnesses. But it's important to say that they're not totally opposite, and sometimes they overlap each other. For example, an acute hypertension crisis may happen in a patient with a systemic baseline hypertension. Another example is that some patients that suffer chronic asthma may suffer acute episodes of asthma attacks. So it's important to say that they are not totally separated. Now we're going to be talking about the main differences between these two conditions. The duration in the acute illnesses usually lasts not longer than 1 month. On the other hand, the chronic conditions usually take several years to be cured, and most commonly they have a long life duration. The main goal in the acute illnesses is to cure, to fix, and to recover the patient's health to normality. And in the chronic illnesses, the main goal is to control the symptoms, to prevent the progression of the pathology, and to improve the quality of life. The patient in the acute illnesses usually receives aid from the health personnel, and the attention is focused on the part of the body that needs to be fixed. In chronic conditions, the patient participates actively in his treatment, and all the time he's trying to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Some examples of acute illnesses are broken leg or trauma, common flu, pneumonia, and some examples of chronic diseases are diabetes type 2, hypertension, Parkinson's disease, heart failure. The chronic conditions don't appear from one day to the other. They usually appear because of lack of physical exercise and the bad habits in the diet, and some others appear because of not attending an acute pathology in time. So it is very important to go to the doctor when you feel bad in order to receive the correct medical attention. Thank you.